Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? I'm going back to another video, man. Y'all tell from time, man, for me doing a SHEIN versus Fashion Nova men's clothing, doing a little comparison, price point, quality, all that good stuff, man. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 700 subscribers. We're currently at 620 while I'm recording, so let's get 88 out. Let's hit that subscribe button and give me the 70 subscribers. And if y'all want more videos like this and y'all want me to do more fashion based, more clothing type, you know, trying products, trying different brands, trying different websites like SHEIN, Fashion Nova. Let's see what you could get for your best buck. Also put that in the comment section down below what y'all want me to try next. Cause today, like I said, SHEIN versus Fashion Nova. I ordered this last week on Wednesday. It's currently Monday, and I got a SHEIN order right here. I don't know, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if everything is in here or not. I don't know that. I was kind of surprised I got it this fast. Last year when I ordered the item, when I ordered the order from SHEIN, it took me like 2 weeks. So the fact I got this bitch and actually Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, 4 days, not bad, because Sunday don't count as a business day. So the fact I got it that fast is kind of crazy. So on terms of that, SHEIN won out of Fashion Nova on delivery, because my Fashion Nova order don't come till Thursday. And it's Monday, so yeah. So let's see what we got in here, man. Serious. Let's see if this is everything or just one part of the item. Or the order, I mean. Okay, the jeans. Oh, this is everything. Jeans. And the 2 shirts. So with SHEIN, I think the invoice is right here. The invoice is right here, but it don't show the price. So with SHEIN, I got 2 outfits. It was, so yeah, I bought 2 outfits with SHEIN. It was 2 pair of pants and 2 shirts. I think it was like $45, $46 for that. And then with Fashion Nova, I was only able to get 1 outfit, which was it was like $64 for a pair of jeans and a shirt. So on terms of price point, SHEIN is better on pricing. Now on quality, that's something we're gonna have to see. Is it a difference with quality? I don't know. Do Fashion Nova have better options than SHEIN? I would say yes. I would say yes. Fashion Nova does have some better options than SHEIN. Have more of a variety of options, I would say. But yeah, we're gonna put these outfits on. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about the quantity and the quality of the items. Let's get straight to it. So this right here is one of the first outfits that I bought from SHEIN. Nice little white shirt, pink little graphics on the side, on the chest piece. And nice little design on the back. I'll make sure that I throw some close-ups in there too, because obviously I'm kind of far away. Now first, then these are the pink pants that I bought to match the shirt. Hey, these jeans right here, 10 out of 10, bro. At least the first one's 10 out of 10. It comes from the same brand according to SHEIN, but these first ones right here, G, 10 out of 10. True to fit, bro. I've been having problems with my jeans lately, with them being the right length, but in the waist they be feeling a little loose. These fit comfortably. So on that, 10 out of 10. The quality, it feels good. I'm just more concerned about when it's time to dry them, or to wash and dry them, how they gonna react. I don't know about that yet. So I'll let y'all know if by the time this video is out, I put it on the screen. If I wore these, washed them, I'll let y'all know how that go. And the shirt is nice, thin, thick quality. I kind of like this shirt. Only thing I'm worried about is I thought it was just a regular shirt. It's like, it kind of feels like a dry fit shirt in a way. I can't tell if it is or not. So I'm wondering when I go outside, is it gonna start smelling right away? Things like that. But in terms of the actual quality of the shirt, I like it. I fuck with it. Nice little fit, man. Let me know if y'all rock with this fit or not. Like I said, I'm gonna try to give y'all a little close up, throw some added video footage onto that as well. So yeah, let's get to the next fit. Now this is the second outfit that I got Got some black stack jeans with a shirt. Now this shirt is printed on there. This one's a print. I don't know. So I'll make sure I try to do another close up to make sure y'all actually see the shirt and things of that nature. Then these are the black stack jeans. These are the black stack jeans. True to fit in the waist. They is stacked. So they look a little weird at the bottom right now because I don't have them the way I need to be stacked. But yeah. Pants true to size. The shirt, I mean, I think it's probably supposed to be like that. It's supposed to give that like that baggy look, but I don't like baggy for real. So I would have went a size smaller if I knew this was how it was gonna look. It look kind of big. But it's wearable because it's that baggy kind of look, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, me personally, I like fitted. But it's not bad at all. Now, this seems like it's one of them silk dry fit ass shirts again, though. Which kind of concerns me once you go outside, how is it going, you feel me? How is it going to last in the sun? Once you start sweating, that motherfuckers will start stinking and some more shit. So that is the only thing that I'm concerned with that. But in terms of the quality and everything, how fast everything came, so far, SHEIN in the lead, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. SHEIN is in the lead so far. Fashion Nova need to get their shit together. But maybe when I get my Fashion Nova order, it's gonna be a different, you feel me? Different vibe, different energy. Maybe, you feel me? That shit does better. But this is for sure hard to beat. I don't know if I just made a mistake ordering when it came to the shirt. Like, that's the only thing that I'm mad about this order. I'm not like mad about, but like, I gotta take a self note of when I go order again to know that this might be how the shirts is, the dry fit silk shit. So maybe I won't order shorts from that no more, only get my pants and my hoodies. I don't know. I gotta do my homework on that. Check the descriptions of how the shirts is made, man. But I'm gonna see y'all again when I get my Fashion Nova order. Let's get straight to it. Okay, y'all, man, we back. We back. I ain't gonna lie, I just got off work. I'm like slight tired, bro. I started at 6 o'clock in the morning. Probably like on 2 hours of sleep for real, so I am looking a little bit crazy in my eyes. Things of that nature, but we do got to order, man. We got Fashion Nova. We got our Fashion Nova outfit, man. The one outfit that we did get from Fashion Nova. It just came today. And right now, like I said, SHEIN is in the lead, bro. Cause this bitch took an extra, 2 days to come. So the skinny jeans was $21, and the black t-shirt I got was $12. I told y'all I was trying to get away from black, then I ended up getting an all black outfit to go with these black shoes. And it technically goes with 2 of my black shoes that I got, so it's a win-win. Either way we is trying to get away from black, it's still a win-win. So it's the packaging that comes in, similar to SHEIN. Very similar to SHEIN, nothing crazy. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like out the packaging, and then I'm gonna show you what it look like on me. The on me part might not be filmed till tomorrow though. So I'm gonna show you what the shirt look like. Like, that shit don't matter to y'all for real, cause y'all gonna see it like right back to back anyways, but I ain't trying this shit on till, you feel me? Tomorrow, bro, cause I'm tired of shit. Or unless I do it after I take my nap type shit later on today. But let's open this thing up, man. I probably was expecting some professional ass shit when I clicked on this video. Nah, man. This more realistic, man. So this simplicity is key. All you need is less. That's what the shirt say. Oh damn! On the middle part right here. Boom. Regular black tee. The damn one on black tees where you got all the shit on the back. Boom. Tough. Tough little shirt, tough. Then we got a simple pair of black jeans, man. I love black jeans. I think that's the only thing that would be the only difference for real. When I say I'm trying to get away from black, I mean like black shirts. I have my whole closet is black shirts, which means I really and truly could just, you feel me? Got these pair of jeans. I got one of the black shirts on my closet and call it a fit. But like I said, I'm just trying to get some new shit, see how it's going. And I ain't have no shirts, which is kind of crazy to say. I didn't have no shirts to match those shoes anyway. So like, I mean, technically, them shoes is all black. Then it has green and yellow on it. So I'm using the black and yellow off the shoe to go with that shirt. Technically, I still don't have a shirt for that shoe, but I think it'll look nice. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like either, like I said, after my nap today or tomorrow. So y'all gonna see it right back to back anyway. So you feel me? But let's see what the jeans looking like. Oh, these feel nice. These feel nice. I don't like the button. I don't like this button. That's the only thing I can say about Fashion Nova jeans is I don't like this button. This button be kind of hard to get off sometimes. That's something I did realize before. Me personally, the best jeans I ever got from all my shopping experiences in life is Route 21. But Route 21 is ass now. So the only thing I go to Route 21 for is for jeans, literally. And then they got some decent cologne and some cheap little cologne, like $15 a bottle. Decent, smell good. You feel me? Something just to have on a casual day, spray something. So I don't have to wear Versace to work. I be wearing fucking Versace cologne to work. That should be pissing me off because I haven't had time to go to Route 21 or Bed Bath Beyond and get a simple ass cologne. Haven't had time to do it. So yeah, I'm wearing Versace cologne to work every time I go to work. Shit kind of crazy. And I wear cologne to go to sleep in. So I'm wearing Versace cologne to go to sleep in. Yeah, kind of dumb, but I like to smell nice at all times. But these is the jeans, nice simple cut jeans. One little hole right here, nothing crazy. Depending how they fit, these might be my new favorite black pair of jeans. Depending how they fit. They look good, bro. They look good. I hope they fit the right way. Could do is hope for the best. Now I'll see y'all either later today or tomorrow. Show y'all what it look like. Hopefully the blacks are the same. The blacks aren't the same. Okay, I got a question for y'all. Let me know in the comment section down below. I know I'm yapping a little bit, but when you do a black on black fit, do you try to match the black or you just say fuck it, it's all black at the end of the day? Let me know in the comment section. I'm very curious on that. Very curious. Let me know. I'll try to match the blacks as close as possible. Some blacks be darker than others. Some blacks be lighter than others. So if you got a dark black on or light black on, might look questionable. And I'm starting to see that's what's happening with this shirt and this pants right fucking now. But y'all gonna see it in a minute. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bow bow. So y'all, this is what the outfit ended up looking like together with it put on. As y'all can tell, this is not the same black. I don't know how I feel about that yet. I have to really see what it looks like close up to determine that. But yeah, this is the back of the shirt. Oh shit, I'm tweaking. Yeah. These jeans actually might be the most comfortable pair of jeans that I had since I went shopping at Route 21 for real. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Like they fit skinny but baggy at the same time. Like they fit amazing. Wait, I feel like I really feel like I'm gonna play a game of basketball in these bitches, bro. Like, these bitches real comfortable. And then this is the close up of the part of the shirt. So yeah, it's the last of that. So if I had to decide, each one had its ups and its down. Like for instance, for SHEIN, let me list the chair. But for SHEIN, it was the shirts. The SHEIN shirts were iffy because they were that dry fit material. And I was not aware of that at all. I thought it was gonna be like a regular shirt, like this type of material. So yeah, I was kind of disappointed with that. So like I said, I don't know if all the shirts are like that or just those, or it was just those two particular shirts that I had picked out. So I gotta see, do my research on that, and I'll let y'all know in the next coming video for that. SHEIN Fashion Nova shipping. SHEIN actually came faster than Fashion Nova, which I was kind of surprised with. I was expecting SHEIN to take like 2 weeks, and it ended up coming in 3 days, and then Fashion Nova took 8 days. So 3 days, 8 days, SHEIN beat their ass by a large margin. But I'm not gonna lie though, these jeans though, I like the jeans from SHEIN and Fashion Nova that I bought. But these ones right here though, I think Fashion Nova got it on the jeans, bro. Fashion Nova might got it on the jeans, just off this one pair of jeans. They might got it. The material feels real nice. The fit was amazing. Amazing. Like, these might be my new favorite pair of black jeans, bro. And I got a lot of black jeans, but these might be top tier, top of the line. Might have to go buy like 5 more pairs. I ain't even gonna hold you. It's really rare that you like a pair of jeans, bro. Like, when you find a good pair of jeans that fit you the right way, you just wear them bitches all the time. So I might have to go buy like 5 more pairs. When I do my next Fashion Nova order, I might just do an order of straight black jeans of the same ones, because this right here is amazing. But if I had to pick between Fashion Nova of the selection, style, the shipping, everything, if I had to pick between Fashion Nova and SHEIN, whew, I don't even know, bro. I really don't know. On terms of price, of course, it's going to be SHEIN. But on terms of selection, it's Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova has a better selection, and their prices is a little bit more than what you feel me? Yeah. So I don't know. I'll let y'all decide in the comment section down below which one do y'all like better between the stuff I got from SHEIN and the stuff I got through Fashion Nova. Let me know in the comment section down below which y'all think is better from y'all personal experiences and from what y'all seen in today's video. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the road to 700 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate everybody that's been tuning in. We've been doing amazing on this channel, y'all. I'm talking about amazing. In the last 3 months, we got over 200,000 views. So we really doing our big one for real. So let's keep doing it. Get this bitch to 1,000. Get this bitch to 1,000 on subscribers. We at damn near 650 right now. So get that bitch to a K. And we big chillin', man. I'm out of here though. Let me know. Comment.